Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, I will be taking you guys along with me as I'll be making our hair growth oil that will make your hair grow more fuller, thicker, stronger, and even strengthen the roots of your hair. So I'm trying to filter out the ingredients from our hair growth oil because our hair growth oil doesn't pass through it. No heat, no preservation, no chemical attached, like 100% natural. So I can't wear glove here. If I wear glove, the glove will be slippery, like it won't stay on my hand. So I had to remove the glove. Then I had to use my hand, try to disinfect my hand. Then I try to go on and try to filter it little by little. Like this take me like, let me say, going to 20 minutes or more than 20 minutes before I can filter it out. And let me leave you guys to watch it a little bit. Then I'll take you guys along with me.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
So I end up filtering this oil two times because I don't want any ingredient to stay in the oil. I want it clean and clear. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And I'll go on by adding some ingredients again, which I really add some of the camera. And yeah, I'm trying to just bring them out. And I will go and take my measurements and I'll go on by measuring some oil. And this is to say thank you guys for those who have patronized us. Thank you. Like everyone, thank you so much. You guys are really amazing from TikTok, from YouTube, from Facebook, especially my TikTok family. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. You guys really amazing me. Thank you so much. Everyone from Germany, from France, from Milan in Italy, from Bozano, like you guys are really too much. Thank you. I love you guys so much. And everyone in my area that have already patronized me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God bless you all. May God continue to bless you guys to come and order more in Jesus' name. Amen. Like I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I'll go on by mixing all the ingredients together because when you're making your egg roll oil, it's not only essential oil you have to put some ingredients which are all 100% natural. I'm not selling chemical, I'm not selling artificial color. All these things you are seeing are all natural and 100% organic. That is what your hair really need for it to keep it shiny, keep it grow, keep it fuller, stronger, and softer. Even if you have fuller, longer hair, the other thing you have to make sure you do is to find good products, organic product like ours to keep your hair longer, shiny, softer, and strong. Because if you try to put artificial chemical preservation on your hair, it might end up damaging your hair. You have to just go on by getting organic hair oil, hair cream, leave-in conditioner to help your hair keep it moisturized and keep it fuller, shiny, healthy. So I've already filled up this bottle because I had to just make sure that I produce that very day because I had some order to deliver. And yeah, I'll go on by cleaning up all the mess, then try to come back to you guys.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I've already cleaned up the bottle and cleaned up everywhere. Now I had to go on and put a sticker, then I'll seal the mouth of the bottle so that it won't be pouring out or throwing it away whenever I try to deliver it to people. And yeah, so this is me trying to put a sticker. Like I designed this sticker all by myself. Yeah, I designed it by myself. I had to just go on and design everything by myself because if I say I should go and meet someone to design it for me, oh my god, I'm going to pay a lot of money. So I have to design it all by myself, do everything all by myself. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, guys, continue ordering from me, please. Without you guys, I can't do this. I can't do this. Please try to share my video so that people will try to patronize me to buy a hair growth oil, like to help people to grow their hair fuller, stronger, thicker, and even straighten the roots of their hair. Please, guys, try to patronize a girl by order from for our products.
Instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play,
So this is the process of me trying to seal up the mouth of the bottle, and like trying to do this is not easy. You watching it right now, you think it's easy. It's not easy. I hadn't had the what's it called, the sticker on the bottle, so I had to just let it stay aside. When I was trying to seal up this bottle, I did some mistake, and I had to come back and redo it to reseal it again. Like it's not easy, but by the grace of God, we move. Please, guys, once again, patronize a girl. Order for our Helen hair growth hair oil and our hair growth that make it darker, and our leave-in conditioner. I will soon drop video on how we make our leave-in conditioner. And yeah, you guys should try to share my video. Please share my video. Please let it get to some people to order for our hair products. And I'll see you guys later.
I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh- I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through,
It's our first order. I'm about to go on to ship our first order. Like, thank you guys. So this is what we have for the order. We have this our leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair, to straighten your hair, to give it shiny, softer, and detangle your hair. And this is the second product the person ordered from us, which is our hair growth oil that will help you to grow your hair longer, thicker, and straighten the roots of your hair. So this is what you are going to see when you order from us. You are going to see the gift. This is for you to shave your eyebrow or to shave your face hair, something like that. This is the first gift. Then the second gift will be your headband. Let me say you want to make up after you've already put a leave-in conditioner, when you've already put our product on your hair, then you want to go on and make up. We have here our headband is gift, right? So you go on and put it. You can use this before to go out. So you will see this gift from your order. And what you are going to meet from your order is this our ID card. This contain our products, what our product does, like what is all about our 100% organic hair products. This is what you are going to meet when you order from us, and you see our number here. And for this paper, this is how to use our product. Although it's been written on your product already, like on your order, in the bottle or anything you order, is it hair growth oil or leave-in conditioner. You are going to see how to use it there. But for more explanation, because we don't only sell you our hair products, we tell you or we advise you how to take care of your hair, that will make our hair product to work wonder on your hair faster. So this is the things, or these are the things you are going to meet when you order from us. Please, you guys should order from us. Order for our hair products. Like, let us help you to grow your hair longer, thicker, fuller, strengthen the roots of your hair. Let us help you. This is all 100% organic, no artificial, no chemical, no preservation, nothing, nothing. Like 100% helps to your hair because that's what your hair need. We are trying to put chemical on your hair, you won't see any transition, you won't see any notice or anything changing in your hair. And for the people who are still lucky to participate on our giveaway, your product will soon locate you, you will soon receive it because we are shipping it out on Monday, and that's it. Bye.